Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video we are going to be drawing, that's right, this is Mummy Pig, this is Peppa Pig's mum, and this is what we're going to be drawing today. So we're just going to pop her aside, she can watch us while we draw. So to get started we're going to need some drawing materials. So we're going to need a marker or something to draw with. We're going to need some paper to draw on and something to colour with. I've got markers here, but you can use colouring pencils, crayons, oil pastels, even paint, anything you like. You know, nice, as long as it's nice and colourful. Alrighty, so you ready to get started? Let's go. Alright, so we've got our paper here. Look, I hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Remember, you can pause the video at any time if you need more time. Alright, so Peppa Pig's mum is looks very similar to Peppa Pig, but there's a few things that are a little bit different. So let's start off with doing the face, and I think we're going to start off with doing the nose. So the pigs have got a bit of a snout, and so we're going to draw a bit of an oval circle starting in this corner, just like that. There we go. And of course in the nose we've got two little nostrils, so we're going to draw two other little circles like that. There we go. Now the rest of her head, it's kind of a big circle shape and got a little bit of the nose sticking out. So what we'll do is we'll start it up here and we'll go around here like this, and we'll go around like that, and we'll stop here. We won't go close it all together. And the reason for that is because we're going to add another little line here, join up the nose like that. Okay, so that's the shape of the head. Now we can start drawing in all the details. So I think I'll start with the eye, the ears actually. Yeah, let's do ears, upside down U like that, and another upside down U like that as well. Now we'll do the eyes. So do one circle here, and another circle there, and we've just put a little dot inside the circle for her pupils, like that. Now the other thing that Mummy Pig has is that she's got eyelashes, so I'm going to draw some little eyelashes here. I like to use a thinner marker for that because eyelashes are normally thinner. There we go. And we just put three lines, three on the top and three on the bottom there. Okay, so let's continue now. Watching Mummy Pig, I also see that she's smiling, so I'm going to give her a big smile. There we go. And it's like just a big U there. Now also she's got cheeks, and normally rosy cheeks, so we'll put another circle here, and you can actually colour those in a different colour later. Alright, so there we go, we've got the head done. Now we're going to draw the rest of the body. And the rest of the body is pretty simple actually. So what we'll do is we'll start, she's wearing kind of a dress, so we'll start a line along the bottom here, just like that. So that's the bottom of her clothing. And then we're going to do a curved line on each side that's going to join from the bottom line up to the top of her head. So we'll just draw a line down like that, and then on the other side another line like that. So there we go, there's the body, and I think the next thing we'll do is her arms. So her arms are nice and easy. It is one straight line like that, and then at the end we've got two little lines like that. That's her fingers there, and we'll do one from the other side as well. But this arm I'm going to actually start inside her body because this is the arm that's closest to her, to you. There we go. Now, Mummy Pig, and like Peppa Pig and all the other pig family, they all have little curly tails. So we do a little curl here, loop to loop, and out like that. There we go, looks super cute. So nearly done. The last part is her legs and her feet. So along the bottom line here, we're going to draw two lines like this. So those are her legs. Nice and simple. And then her feet, well, she's wearing shoes. it actually looks, it's a bit of an oval shape. It looks like a long piece of white rice, like this. There we go, and we can colour those in a little bit later as well. Okay, so that's all the line drawing done. So we've got all the shapes of Mummy Pig. And yes, I think she likes it. You like that? Yes? Very good. Okay, so the next part is to colour in. So this is, we'll fast forward this part and we'll see you back very soon. Okay, and welcome back. So we've finished colouring in and I think she looks great. And I'm sure yours look wonderful as well. I think Mummy Pig is very happy. She's looking at that and thinks, yes, she's giving the thumbs up, so that's very good. So, there you go. Hope you had lots of fun, and if yours looks a little different, that's okay, because as long as you had fun, that's the most important part. Now, if you want to draw more of Mummy Pig's family, check out our other videos. We've got lots of other Peppa Pig videos there as well. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye! Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, please make sure to like and subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We'd love to see your creations and also hear your suggestions for our next video. See you next time!